Good morning, guys. So I cannot find my SD card, so I'm filming on my phone right now, but I did bring my camera because I do need to go to Target. So I'll probably just end up buying, oops, I didn't get my address. I'll probably just end up buying a new SD card at Target. I don't know, so I must be running some errands today. We're gonna do a part 2 of trying to find, let me go like this because I don't want nobody to know where I live at. Trying to find some Christmas stuff and getting a tree today. So yes, let's go. Wear to go run errands on a Tuesday morning. You know, the little BBL jacket, yoga pants, slippers, and then you know the first special little designer shoe that you can't see. You know, my shades, my nails, my rings, my jewelry. Time. Let's go. What you see, I just left Target. Literally forgot what we came in there for. I remember I've been looking for these. Y'all know when y'all man got something real nice and you be wearing it and then you be like, dang, I want my own, but in this color. That's been like 2 years going now for me. And I finally found what I was looking for, the black version. And he said they've been here, but it's my first time seeing them. So, you know, your girl had to grab, and it was the last one it was destined to be. So that was that. Then I had to get a new SD card because like I told y'all, I lost my other one that quick and I don't want to have to keep filming on my phone because I really love my camera. And plus it's good to have a backup SD card anyway. I don't know why Ben didn't get a backup SD card. Oh, we gotta, okay, so y'all know we gotta do this Christmas, finish the room. We're missing our tree. It's gonna look so dope. So all right, guys, we got the tree. So you see the tree back there. You see the tree back there. Yeah, we got the tree. Basically what happened was they didn't have any more of the tree that we wanted, so they just ended up giving us the one that we was looking at with the lights on it at a discounted price. So we said whatever, we're gonna take it because I'm hooking up anyway. So now we are looking for some flock. They didn't have flock at the Home Depot. So we're gonna go into 99-cent store, but first we get food first. We're going to 99-cent store. We're going to the 99-cent store, so we're about to go look for the flock there. Let's see if they have it, so that way, you know, we can at least get the flock tree up tonight. So yeah, let's go to the 99-cent store. I didn't show y'all the taco. I forgot. But I got some food. Got some a fish taco. And I had a couple french fries, a little snack. And so we eat. Oh, look what I found. Look what I found at the store just now. What? This is Hershey white chocolate. Oh, you know what? I thought this was cookies and cream. But it's okay. I'm gonna make some s'mores. We're gonna make some holiday s'mores with these tonight. I'm so excited to try it again. Hershey white chocolate with the Oreo cookies was always like my favorite chocolate. Oh, but now they got this, so we're gonna see what it do. Now we got to go get some food. I don't know why I'm so dry today. I'm really tired. Alright, so the verdict has popping candy, so we got poppets in it. But it's got a little poppet. Good. They want to put it in some s'mores. Alright. Now I'm back. Let's order some rascals now. Time to eat. I don't know, when I get out and I get to shopping around, so I get so hungry. Might need some rascals, teriyaki chicken with some rice and slice of orange, and you squared it on there. Yeah, when I say I took NyQuil this morning thinking that I can, overcome the sleepiness, when I tell you don't underestimate the power of medication. I have been asleep since we got back. I had meetings. I had so much stuff I was supposed to do, and I fell asleep. And I'm just waking. Look at this. Earring gone. I was comfortable. And this is a licorice stick. If you know, you know. If you don't, now you know. It's just like a regular stick. But child, I'm just waking up, and it's like 4:30, 5 o'clock. Okay, so let me get myself together a little bit. Let me open up my eyes, and then we're gonna go to the store and get this stuff for the s'mores. What about some eggnog? Where are the graham crackers? This is juice. Okay, so now we gotta figure out which one will go good with white chocolate. Which one we eat with white chocolate? What, cinnamon white? No, that's not gonna go. We need plain ones, right? Got a little fat graham crackers. You know, we're just trying to get smashed for the new year.
Store provided bags do.
Alright, y'all. I didn't even fix myself up. My hair look a little. And I'm gonna light down here. Part 2. Oh wait, we gotta fix this. It's a little okay. We had the toddler get a hold of to these. Come on. What are we making? Cinnamon rolls. Cinnamon rolls.
Pillsbury dough.
Alright, y'all, so forgive the lighting because my lighting is upstairs, but we are having a sweet tonight. We're making cinnamon rolls, we're making cinnamon cookies, sugar cookies, and we're making s'mores. So we're gonna use what I showed y'all to make these s'mores. I need to get my light. This is not professional. Alright, y'all, so we having a sweet tonight. So we're making all, there go the oven. We're making all sweets. We're making some cinnamon sugar cookies. We're making s'mores. This is what I got from the store to make the s'mores. I tried one in the car. bomb. Bomb, 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 bomb. We'll mix bomb, bomb, bomb. We'll make some s'mores. So, got the cinnamon rolls. Why are we making all this stuff? I don't know, but it's the Christmas season. Anybody who knows me knows I love baking cookies. It's one of my favorite things to do during the holidays. I think I start cookie making in like fall. And then I do, you know, the winter cookies and stuff like that. Girl, really? Leave it alone. Leave it alone. Leave it alone. This is going to be a messed up cinnamon bun. I was supposed to change it to my baking cookies outfit, but we got right to it as soon as we got in. So I still have on my errands outfit. I need to eat a banana because I be twitching all the time. So I eat a banana because you need your magnesium. Need a banana. All right, y'all. So I'm gonna show y'all how this will work. So we're gonna break it, of course. Gotta break it. Okay, y'all, I forgot the marshmallows. So I need to, we're gonna see if we got some marshmallows here. Because we have s'mores without marshmallows. I'm just thinking about the chocolate. So we're gonna see. No. So she found cookie butter, y'all. It's so crazy because when we went to Del Taco today, I ordered the cookie butter shake and they were like, oh, we don't have it. They didn't have it. They ran out. So we're gonna try these. Yeah, see what these. They melt. No, they didn't even melt. A little longer.
It's hit. Yeah.
I need a marshmallow. I need a little dry. I'm gonna make more, but I'm gonna add more chocolate to it. So instead of the 3, I'm gonna put 6 pieces. 6 pieces. Let's put them in the microwave for about a minute, maybe like 45 seconds. All right, let those cook for 45 seconds, and then we're about to chip on the cookies and cinnamon rolls, and we're gonna have a little sugar night. It's good. But I put more chocolate in it. Oh my god. Does it just melt?
Where you won? Said no way.
Freaking button.
Got it open.
Alright, y'all, time to taste this cinnamon roll. So this is what it look like. That's good. Alright, that's it. I don't know what got into me, but I just prefer the sweets today. So I'm gonna go get changed into some comfy pajamas, and I'll see y'all upstairs. Alright, y'all, so April has changed into her pajamas. It's today. We all have one of them days where it just don't like. I just ran my errands and that was it. I didn't do anything else I was supposed to do because that medication knocked me out. But how cute is this little deer I got from Target with a little scarf already on it? So it was like $10 when I got it. But I got my pajamas on. I'm gonna show y'all what I got from Target because that's probably the only productive thing I did today besides make a bunch of sweets for no reason. So let's see let me show you what I got. So these are the pants I was telling y'all about in the car. I love these. They're men's pants, but I like working out in them. I like how they fit and they are leggings. You ever got something because it looked good with what you got already? Like, I had these leggings and I was like, ooh, that was some socks. So I got the socks, and then I got the SD card I was telling y'all about that I needed. So those are the only 3 things I got from Target. We got this tree today, but I'm gonna have to flock it on a different day because your girl is tired. This medicine is still like drained, like I feel sleepy still. I'm forcing my eyes open because I know I have stuff to do today. But in reality, I'm ready to go to bed. Y'all can see I look tore up. It's probably the most tore up I'm gonna look in the vlog, I promise you. So that's probably it for today. I'm probably gonna close this vlog out right now. I love y'all so much. Thank you for even watching. I know this vlog was just kind of short and whatever, but I love you guys. Realistic day. I have these days sometimes, and it is what it is. So love you guys, and I'll see you next episode.